morning, children.
Good morning, ma'am.
How are you all?
I am fine, ma'am.
Okay, so today we are going to learn the next letter of literacy, that is letter P. Letter P. The sound of the letter P is H. 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 Yes. Now I will show you a sound cracker and you have to listen and sing along it. Okay? Let us trace the letter P. Yes. Firstly, you have to make a standing line. Then from the above, you have to make a curve. This makes the uppercase of letter P. Yes. Raise your two fingers. For P letter, firstly, you have to make a standing line. Then from above, you have to make a curve. Yes. Do you understand? P, parrot. P, pencil. P, peacock. P, pillow. Of you repeat after me. P, penguin. Yes. P, panda. P, plate. P, popcorn. Clap for yourself.